Hi everyone, my name is Ryan Fano and I am the new Silver Collections Activities Director here at the beautiful Carl D. Silver Parkway community. Now we are well on our way in the month of December, which means we have lots of gifts to give out. We have birthdays, we have anniversaries, we have Hanukkah, Christmas, and Kwanzaa. So as a special gift to you, our valued residents, I'm going to teach you how to expertly wrap a gift. But before we get there, I'm going to tell you a little bit about myself. Number one, I have a background in musical theater. Number two, I used to be a wrestler. We're gonna go ahead and insert the picture here. That's it, laugh all you want to. That's right, those legs are as skinny can be. And yeah, I don't know how my neck could support the size of my head. All right, enough laughing. Number three, I am an expert when it comes to gift wrapping. And by expert, I basically mean that I've watched one or two video tutorials before shooting this. So without further ado, let's get the gift wrapping going. And we are back. And with us, we have our maintenance master, Drew Dugan. Now, Drew here is, Drew, on a scale from 1 to 10, how good are you at gift wrapping?
I'd say a soft 3.
A soft 3?
Yep.
Well, 2020 has already been a challenging year, so we're going to make it just a little bit more difficult. And we are going to go ahead and tape my hands to this table. We're going to tape my hands to the table, and then I'm going to teach you how to wrap a gift.
Ooh.
Let's do it. Yes, go ahead. That's all right. Yeah. It's kind of like you've done this before. Yeah, so now remember, my hands are here, so when you slam the box on the table and you hit my finger, it will hurt. So just be very careful, because my hands are right there. All right, so move the box over to my left. Perfect. All right, now you're going to get the wrapping paper.
Okay.
And you're going to, okay, hold me. Actually, move the box a little bit further to my left. Perfect. All right, now you're going to go ahead and get that wrapping paper, and you're going to slide it on that. All right. Now, go ahead and get the box, and you're going to put it on top of the wrapping paper. But closer to the roll, and kind of center, if you can. Yep, there you go. And then a little bit closer to the roll. Yeah. Okay, great. Yeah. And then take that, and pull it taut a little bit. No, pull it taut. Okay, yep, there you go. All right, so what we're going to do then is you're going to take this part of the roll.
Okay.
And you're going to wrap it over so that, so that there's enough here to meet up to like there.
Okay.
Okay, well, we ripped it a little bit. It's all right. We'll try our best to fix it. Okay, that's perfect. Stop.
Okay.
All right, put your hands up. We're going to take a breath. Great. Okay, now to your right, there's going to be a pair of scissors. Awesome. Go ahead and nicely slice down to the very end over there. Okay, and do your best to nicely. There, Drew, nicely. There. Okay, you're just gonna. Okay. Yep. I mean, you're not doing a bad job. You're just not also doing a good job. It would have been probably a little bit better if you did a straight line, but that's okay. All right, great. So we're just gonna put that. Yep. Over. Perfect. Great. Amazing. Yep. Perfect. All right. So what we're gonna do then is you're going to put. Okay. You're gonna push the box so that it's taut. So, okay. Right over here. Right where my forehead is. Yeah. Right here. There you go. There you go. So then, see how it's kind of crinkled? Go ahead and uncrinkle it a little bit. There you go. Oh my gosh. It's like you've done this before. It is like you've done this before. Okay, perfect. So
my mom used to make it look so easy when I was a kid.
You're going to crease where the corner of the box is. Crease it.
Okay.
See, right here?
Yeah.
Crease it. Perfect. No, just along where your right hand is. Where your right hand is. Yep. Crease it. Oh, Drew. Yes! God, I'm getting excited. Okay, this is great. Now, hold on. Now, do you see where that crease is?
Yeah.
Okay. We are going to go ahead and fold the entire wrapping paper
like that.
So it is underneath that crease. So you're using that crease as a template to fold under.
Yeah.
Does that make sense?
Yeah.
Stop. There you go. Oh, we ripped it again. Oh. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, so great. You're gonna grab the tape. Okay, perfect. And you're gonna go ahead and tape it to the box. Now, you are gonna go ahead and make sure that it's taut so that there's not like any excess things. So push, perfect! Oh my god, Drew, you're amazing. Alright, still, take a piece of tape.
Yeah.
You're gonna move it over to your right. Great, and you're gonna fold that over top over here. That's okay, that's alright. Oh, yep, don't break anything. Okay, yep. Perfect, great. Okay. Now, you are going to make sure that it's taut. Okay, and then crease that side. Yes! Look at how efficient you are. Okay, pause. Okay, hold on, wait, stop. We're doing good. Let's take a breath to celebrate. You're gonna grab that tape over to your right.
Okay.
No, not that one. Yep, that one. Okay, yep, because that's the one we started with. So let's keep it even. Yep. And you were going to then tape. No, do one right up there.
Here.
Oh, no, other way. Oh, no! Okay, good enough. Yep. And then you're going to do the same thing. Okay, it would be better if it was straight, but that's okay. That's all right. Hey, we're doing good. All right, now listen. We're doing really good right now. So you're going to rotate the box a quarter of a turn. Okay, so go ahead and grab the scissors again. And where do you think you need to cut?
Here.
Okay, maybe a little bit further to your right, just a little bit.
This way?
Yeah, right there. And then you're going to do your best to cut all the way around the entire box.
Hey.
Oh!
Alright.
Alright. Now, hold on, wait. Now you're going to rotate it one more. No. We're going to rotate it one more time. So this, there you go. Perfect. Okay, now put your hands on the middle of the box. Okay?
Okay.
On the side middle of the box. There you go. Like you're about to pick it up. Great.
Right.
Now slide your hands towards us. So then your middle fingers are about at the middle of that box, correct?
Yeah.
Okay, you're going to make it so that, oh god, this is so hard. Okay, you're going to make it so that you push that in.
Okay.
Yeah, and you're going to make like a little triangle at the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah. So we'll do one side first. So we'll do this side first.
Okay.
And go ahead and like crease it on the bottom so that it's creased. Yes. It would be awesome if that little thing wasn't like poofing up, but it's okay. So we're just gonna beginners, not luck.
Yeah.
Okay. So, oh god, you ripped it. Okay. Oh god, watch your fingers.
Yeah, I'm getting real close.
Doing
Real
great.
straight.
Doing great.
Oh god.
Yep. Oh, all right. Yeah, perfect. All right.
Alright.
Okay. All right. So, yep, perfect. Remember what we did last time?
Yep.
Admire your work. I mean, compared to the other side, that tape job wasn't as bad.
Yeah.
I mean, it wasn't good. It just was not as bad. Take your time, Drew. It's fine.
Alright.
I mean, I think we're pretty good. What do you think?
Yeah, I would be excited to see that on Christmas morning.
I don't know if I would be excited, but hey, way to go! I'd give you a high five, but I can't, so I'll give you like an elbow.
Oh yeah.
Thank you for joining us, Drew. I really appreciate it. Ladies and gentlemen, we will see you this holiday season at our wrapping stations. See you later.